Hey everyone! Today we're comparing two awesome CAD tools for 2025, Plasticity and Fusion 360. Let's break them down and see which one's best for your needs. First up, Plasticity. It's a lightweight, easy-to-use CAD software focused on 3D modeling, especially for artists and designers. It's great for creating smooth, organic shapes with a simple interface that feels like Blender. Plasticity shines in hard surface modeling, concept art, and rapid prototyping. It's super affordable with a one-time purchase price and works well for solo creators or small teams, but it's less suited for complex assemblies or advanced manufacturing tasks. Now Fusion 360 by Autodesk. This is a full-on design platform for engineers, designers, and manufacturers. It handles everything from 3D modeling to simulations, CAM, and even team collaboration in the cloud. Fusion 360 is powerful for parametric design, large assemblies, and professional-grade manufacturing. It's subscription-based, which can get pricey and has a steeper learning curve, but it's a go-to for big projects and industries. So how do they stack up? Plasticity is fast, cheap, and perfect for artists or small-scale modeling. It's not great for heavy engineering or large teams. Fusion 360 is a beast for complex designs and manufacturing, but costs more and takes time to master. Check out this chart for a quick look. So which is better? If you're an artist or hobbyist looking for a budget-friendly, simple tool, go with Plasticity. If you need a powerhouse for engineering, manufacturing, or team projects, Fusion 360 is your pick. Choose based on your project size and budget. That's it for today. Let us know which one you're using in the comments. See you next time. Like and subscribe for more videos.